So good morning, everybody. Welcome here to the TradersClub24 DAX market opening live stream. 30 seconds to go before the DAX opens every day, every morning, sharp at 9 a.m. So we are trading here on our live account along with our very own signature SwissBox tool for the MetaTrader. You see the countdown down here. So approximately 10 to 15 seconds to go for the market opening, and I have set up my grid system. So everybody here in the live trading room as well, I wish you a good Wednesday and good trades to you. Oh, okay. That is a very nice market opening. I need to catch the market here.